Hello, my name is Graham.
And my name is Suzanne.
And we're going to show you the trick called the wet penny of science. The best thing you can use is any type of coin, but the best type is a penny because it's called the wet penny. So, you take the penny, and you see this dish we have here? The best thing is a pasta bowl, and we put the penny in the bowl.
It's the lip that's important, right? Because
The
I'm
lip
going to show
is-
you why now.
So now we have a little bit over 4 fluid ounces of water in here, and we're gonna pour the water into the bowl so it covers the penny.
That looks perfect to me. Excellent.
And my challenge for you guys is to get this penny out of the water without getting wet.
I can't do it. I got wet.
So,
We need a cup.
we need a cup.
And then what's important about the next thing we need?
We need 3 matches and a cork. So, this is what you do. You make 3 holes with a corkscrew.
Or anything pokey,
Yeah,
right?
the best could be a corkscrew.
Yeah.
And you stick the matches in it.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're going to put this cork in the middle of the water.
Yes. And this part's for grown-ups. We're
Yep.
going to light the matches. Actually, may I have the cup on my side? You can sit next to me. It's okay. Okay. We're going to stay away?
So we're going to light the matches. And you can see it looks dangerous. And so we're going to do that, and look.
Where did all the water go?
Where is it? Is it in the dish
No.
or the cup?
It's in the glass.
My challenge for you is to get the penny without getting wet.
Ta-da! I did it. Whoop. And there goes the water. Do you remember what that's called that we just did? It's called we made a vacuum.
We made a vacuum.
Mm-hmm. Because the fire burned up what inside the glass? Do you know?
The oxygen.
Very good. And so the water went in to replace the oxygen. That's the wet penny trick.
I'm going to put these in the water
Okay.
so these can cool down.
Okay. Do you have anything more to say?
So that is a wet penny.
Bye. Did I say bye?
Enjoy the video.
Yeah.